Are you dreaming of studying in one of the most beautiful and peaceful countries in the world for free? In today's video, I will show you the top fully funded scholarship in New Zealand that covers your tuition fee, your living expenses, and even your allowance. Whether you are in Africa, Asia, or anywhere in the world, these scholarships are open for you. Stay tuned to the end so you don't miss the universities that still accepting application in this 2025. Thank you my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my video. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, do wait to subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you won't miss the next updates. If you are interested in this particular topic, stay tuned to the end because I will list the top important scholarships that are still ongoing in New Zealand. Let's go ahead and walk through these universities that are still offering scholarships in New Zealand. Do you want to start your adventure in New Zealand? It's a good news for you because there is still a number of scholarships that are available for international students. The first scholarship we're going to be talking about is from the University of Auckland Scholarship. University of Auckland Scholarship are partially funded scholarships for international students. These scholarships are available for undergraduate and masters. They give up to 50 scholarships annually, and the value for this scholarship is $10,000 each for postgraduate and undergraduate study. The level of study they give is for graduate, undergraduate, and PG diploma. So if you're interested in this particular scholarship, the link for the scholarship will be pasted on the description button. The second scholarship that is happening in New Zealand is Victoria University of Wellington scholarships. Victoria University of Wellington scholarship are partially funded scholarship for international students. The scholarship is available for undergraduate and master study and provides the recipient up to 10,000 New Zealand dollar. So if you're interested in this particular scholarship, they also offer fully funded scholarship. The level of study for this scholarship is undergraduate and masters. Also, the link for this scholarship will be posted on this description button. The next scholarship we're going to be talking about is Manaki New Zealand scholarship. This Manaki New Zealand scholarship are fully funded scholarship for international students. These scholarships are available for undergraduate and masters. The scholarship holds full tuition fee, your living allowance, medical insurance, travel allowance, and research and thesis course for research students. The level for this scholarship is undergraduate and masters too. The next scholarship we're going to be talking about is from the University of Canterbury scholarship. This university offers partially funded scholarship for international students. The scholarships are available for undergraduates. So if you're an undergraduate student and you want to grab a degree, this is a wonderful opportunity for you. The scholarship value is $10,000. So if you're an undergraduate student, you can grab this particular partially funded scholarship. The next scholarship we're going to be talking about is Victoria University of Wellington scholarship. The Wellington University scholarship are fully funded scholarship for international students. These scholarships are available for undergraduates and masters. They give up to 50 scholarships annually, and the value for the scholarship is $10,000 for each postgraduate and undergraduate student. So if you're interested in this particular university because it's a fully funded scholarship they offer to international students, you can grab it. The next university we are going to be talking about is University of Otago scholarship. University of Otago scholarship is a fully funded scholarship for international students. These scholarships are available for undergraduate, masters, and PhD degree. They give up to 200 scholarships annually, and the scholarship value is ranging from 10,000 to 30,000 New Zealand dollar for doctoral, postgraduate, and undergraduate study. So if you are an international student, you can grab this particular scholarship because it's a fully funded scholarship that covers all your living expenses, your airplane, everything. The next scholarship we're going to talk about is the University of Waikato scholarship. The University of Waikato scholarship is also a fully funded scholarship for international students. These scholarships are available for undergraduate and masters. The scholarship covers your tuition fee credits in New Zealand and have a value of $15,000 for both undergraduate and postgraduate students. So if you want to grab a degree and you are not financially buoyant, you can grab this particular opportunity. Another one we are going to be talking about is University of Wakanto Scholarship. The University of Wakanto Scholarship, this one is a partially funded scholarship for international students. So if you have saved some money and you are looking for how to add up and study as an international student, you can grab this partially funded scholarship. These scholarships are available for undergraduate and masters. They give up to 6 scholarships annually, and the value for this scholarship is $3,000 each for postgraduate and undergraduate study. The next scholarship we're going to be talking about is Joint Japan World Bank Graduate Scholarship Program. This scholarship happens every year and is a fully funded scholarship for international students. The scholarship covers your tuition fee, your accommodation, your economy class air travel, and monthly stipend. This scholarship is actually meant for only masters. So as an international student, you can grab this wonderful opportunity. The next scholarship we're going to be talking about is Robert XMC Namara Fellowship Program. This is actually a fully funded scholarship for international students. The scholarship is available for PhD studies only and provide the recipient with $42,750 net per follow for 8-month fellowship. So it's only meant for PhD, and the institution offering this scholarship is World Bank. So you can grab this particular scholarship if you want to have your PhD degree. The next scholarship we're going to be talking about is IMU Breakout Graduate Fellowship Scholarship. It's actually a fully funded scholarship for international students. International Mathematical Union scholarship value is up to the maximum of 10,000 USD per year and covers your tuition fee, your accommodation, your living expenses, and your travel expenses. This scholarship is actually meant for only those who want to study PhD. The next scholarship we're going to be talking about is Kulambaga Foundation Faculty for Future Fellowship. So this one is actually a fully funded scholarship for international students, and the value for this scholarship is 50,000 USD per year for PhD and maximum of 40,000 per year for postdoctorate degree. So and it will be renewed for the completion of the studies. So if you want to have a PhD or a postdoctorate degree, you can grab this particular scholarship. The next scholarship we're going to be talking about is Aga Khan Foundation Scholarship. Aga Khan Foundation Scholarship are open for international students to pursue their master's and PhD degree in a highly reputable university, except University of UK, Germany, Sweden, Austria, Denmark, Netherlands, Italy, Norway, and Ireland. So if you want to grab a master's degree or PhD degree, you can grab this particular university. The next university we are going to be talking about is Human Frontier Science Program Postdoctorate Fellowship. So this is a fully funded scholarship for international students. This scholarship provides your living allowance as well as your research and travel allowance, depending on their specific situation. Follows may also qualify to receive a child allowance and a parental living allowance and a location allowance. So this one will comprise this. Even if you want to locate with your family, this is a wonderful opportunity for you to grab. If you want to have a doctorate degree, you can grab this particular scholarship. The next scholarship we're going to be talking about is IIESRF scholarship. This is actually a fully funded scholarship too. The scholarship grant covers 25,000 US dollar along with your individual health insurance to support a visiting academic appointment up to 1 year. So if you want to grab a PhD degree, this is a wonderful scholarship for you to grab. The next scholarship we're going to be talking about is Facebook PhD Fellowship. This Facebook PhD Fellowship is also a fully funded scholarship for international students. It's only meant for PhD students. So all these are scholarships that are happening in New Zealand. If you want to study in New Zealand in 2025 to 2026 academic section, you can grab this wonderful opportunity. If you have watched this video up to this moment, that means you are interested in getting a scholarship in this 2025-2026 academic section. The links for all these scholarships will be posted on the description button. You can go ahead and grab one or two of the scholarship, and by the grace of God, one of the scholarship is granted unto you. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel up to this moment, do where to subscribe. Once you subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you won't miss the next update. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in my next video.